my name is Jessica Mann, aka the Blonde Mann, and today I'm going to be celebrating the holidays with Annabelle by bringing to you the most perfect holiday look. This is going to be super easy to recreate. I hope you guys follow along, and let's just get into it. I've already got my face and my eyes prepped, so I'm just going to start off with a little bit of eyeshadow to kind of create some dimension on the lid, and that way it's really going to make sure our eyeliner pops today. The first color I'm going to go in with is just a soft baby pink, and we're going to take a big fluffy brush and put that right in our crease area. You don't have to be too precise with this. It's just going to be a nice blown out kind of transition shade. We're gonna keep it really simple on the eyes because I want the liner to be the focus. Taking a flat brush, I'm gonna concentrate a light beige on my lid and into the inner corner a little bit because I like a bright inner corner. Now we're gonna go in with the star of the show. In this case, it's the Transformix Brush Tip Eyeliner by Annabelle. This is the shade Metallic Blue because I wanted to spice it up a little bit. What I like to do first is do a little line. And I like kind of making it a bit more straight, not as kind of angled and up. And the good thing about this brush tip eyeliner, it really just kind of curves to the shape of your eye. So we're gonna connect this line and this line. Until we have the length and the thickness that we want. And then we're just gonna fill it all in. What I usually do is for the very end of the wing here, if you want it a little bit more precise, don't go in with any additional product, just kind of use what's left on the brush. It's so thin and precise that you're gonna be able to get a nice cat eye. Just kind of use that to your advantage. So I do want a bit more oomph to this look, and the Transformix liner is really, really good because when you rub it with like a Q-tip, those sparkles in the product kind of shine through a bit more. So I'm just gonna gently rub it. I don't want to rub too hard because you don't want to take off the liner. Are you guys seeing this? So the more you rub, the more sparkles kind of come through. Okay, for lashes, I'm gonna use the Skinny Mascara, and the reason this is so good, like look at this wand. I really like it because I feel like it grabs each and every lash, but it still gives volume. I don't know how that is even possible, but Annabelle, you did it with this little guy right here. I love using white or flesh tone colors, so I'm gonna go in with the Annabelle Kohl pencil, and this is the shade Champagne. And we're gonna line our waterline here. And Champagne, like what it basically does, is gonna like brighten up, open up your eyes, but because Champagne has a little bit of a shimmer to it, it just, I don't know, it just adds to the element of like the holidays. To finish off the eye look, I'm gonna go back in with the Skinny Mascara and kind of do the bottom lashes. Cool, if you haven't used this for your bottom lashes, you are missing out. And I hope you didn't think we were finished there because we're going in with some cream blush. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Berry. And personally, what I like doing is applying it to a beauty sponge and get like kind of a light layer going on there. And then I go and I put it on my cheeks. When it comes to blush, for me, I like a really natural looking blush, something that's not gonna take away from the look, but just kind of like add to it. And oddly enough, I like putting a little bit on my nose. I'm feeling like this is gonna be a 2019 trend, so I'm saying it now. Cream blush on the nose. All right, now we're gonna bronze up the cheeks. We need some bronzer going on, and we're gonna use the Perfect Glow by Annabelle. This is the shade Goldy Shine, so it's the really nice like illuminated bronzer for me. I think you'll find it's stunning and beautiful. I'm gonna take a big, big fluffy brush because I kind of want to really bronze up my whole face here. So I'm just gonna build the color on my cheeks. Oh, it's just like beautiful. And with that berry blush, ooh, we are holidaying it up today. I really like bronzer, so I love applying it pretty much everywhere. If you're someone who only likes a touch of bronzer, totally go for what works for you, but I just like kind of dusting it on everywhere. I feel like this bronzer is really light and easy to work with, and I've never had an issue with like being like, whoa, like I put too much on. So if you like something, again, more natural, subtle, but gives you like a nice glow, this is the bronzer for you. We also can't forget to use the Perfect Glow in Pearly White. Look at it, like guys, this is, oh, just like seeing it on my brush. I overuse highlight, probably more than I should, but like I don't care. I need it. Like I need highlight in my life. I need to reapply it as much as possible. I love putting Pearly White kind of like right on my temple there. Get a nice kind of like glowy sweat going on. I love putting it on my cheekbones here, right above my lip. And then just on the tip of my nose. We're lighting the way this year, Santa, that is for sure. For the lips, I'm just gonna line with the Edge lip liner. This is the shade Backstage, which is just like a clear. So if you're kind of bad with liner, but you're good with lipstick, what I would do is use a little bit of clear to help the edges from feathering. And then you can actually fill in your entire lip with this as well. So we're gonna take one of my favorite colors from the Edge collection. This is the shade Winnie. I mean, look at it. I love a nice kind of wine red lipstick. They're always one of my go-to favorites. So we're just gonna go ahead and beautiful. I mean, this is nice, but we gotta amp it up. We just gotta amp it up. Just a little bit, because the holidays to me is sparkle and a little bit of glam. So to amp it up, I'm gonna use the Glitter Lip Top Coat, and this is the shade Rainbow, and it's like, oh, like screams holidays to me. So let's get in there. Apply this on top. I feel like I look like the Grinch would take me on a date. That is how good I look. So I'm just gonna rub this lightly and get some more glitter going on. I had so much fun creating this look with Annabelle. You can check out their products online at annabelle.com. Annabelle Cosmetics is also available in store like Shoppers, Rexall, Pharma Plus, anything you can think of, you can probably get yourself hands on Annabelle. You can also check out their social handles. Their Instagram is Annabelle Cosmetics and their Facebook is Annabelle. If you're interested in seeing more of me, my name is Jessica Mann, and you can check me out at Blonde Mann on anything and everything, I think. Otherwise, I hope I'll see you guys soon, and have a good one. Bye guys, happy holidays.